All right, today we're diving deep into EchoXen. This is a full analyst's review of a product that says it can help with tinnitus and hearing decline.
Okay, let's just cut to the chase. The big question everyone wants answered is, does EchoXen actually work for tinnitus? According to the company's own information, the answer is yes. So, what we're going to do in this analysis is break down exactly how they say it works and really dig into those claims.
So first up, let's be clear about the problem EchoXen is designed to fix. We're talking about that daily struggle that comes with hearing issues.
You know, the sources really paint a picture of what tinnitus is like. It's not just some noise, it's this relentless, exhausting ringing in your ears. And because of that, you can't follow conversations, which just makes you feel frustrated and honestly pretty isolated. It's a huge daily challenge for millions of people out there.
So that's the problem. But how does EchoXen claim it's going to tackle it? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the claimed mechanism. Okay, so according to the research the manufacturer points to, tinnitus isn't just random noise. They say it's linked to three main root causes. First, poor circulation down in your inner ear. Second, something called neuroinflammation. That's basically inflammation messing with your nerve signals. And third, just constant stress on your auditory nerves. The whole idea is that when these systems get weak, your brain starts to misinterpret sound, and that's where the ringing comes from.
So to fight this, EchoX apparently uses a three-step approach. Step 1, its formula is made to help get the blood flowing better in the inner ear. Step 2, it's all about protecting those auditory nerves. And step 3, it's supposed to cut down on that neuroinflammation that's getting in the way of clear hearing. It's presented as this, multi-pronged attack on the problem.
And this is where they draw a line in the sand. The sources position EchoXen, which is a natural liquid formula that goes after the root causes, as a totally different path from, say, what they call endless medications or even risky procedures. The pitch is that this is a non-invasive way to support your hearing every single day. All right, so that's the theory behind it. But what about the results? I mean, what are people actually experiencing? Let's take a look.
The user reports that the source material talks about are pretty interesting. They claim that with consistent use, a few things happen. The big one, of course, is that the constant ringing starts to fade. Then, everyday sounds supposedly become much clearer. And these two things are said to lead to other benefits, like being able to focus better, feeling less stressed, and just having more confidence and peace of mind. All of this, they say, adds up to a much better quality of life.
Okay, let's switch gears and look at the actual offer, the guarantee, and the important details you need to know if you're thinking about buying.
A really big point they highlight is this: a full 60-day money-back guarantee. The deal is, if you're not happy with the results, you can apparently get a full refund. This is obviously positioned as a way to try it out without a huge financial risk. Now, to get those results they're talking about, the sources are really specific. They recommend buying at least 3 bottles. The reasoning is that it gives the ingredients enough time to build up in your system and do their thing. They also suggest a 6-bottle package for the best value and long-term effect. So the message here is pretty clear. This isn't a quick fix, it requires consistent use.
All right, and now we come to the final and maybe most important part of this analysis, a critical warning. This is something that was stressed over and over again in the source material.
And the crucial point is all about authenticity. The sources could not be clearer. Genuine EchoXen is only sold on the official website. They say this is to protect you, the customer, from getting fake products or unsafe copies that are floating around out there. And on that note, it's important to mention that the link to the official, secure website for EchoXen is right down in the video description for you. So let's just quickly recap the key takeaways from all this. First, EchoXen claims to target what it says are the root causes of tinnitus, things like poor circulation and inflammation. Second, the formula is natural and it's meant to be used every day. Third, it comes with that 60-day money-back guarantee. And finally, the really critical part: you have to buy it from the official website to make sure you're getting the real, safe product. So, all of this leaves us with one final question, really, for you to think about. When you weigh the promises, the science they present, and that safety net of a money-back guarantee, is this a solution that's worth looking into for your own situation? Thanks for watching this review. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next analysis. See you in the next one.